In this video, we're going to learn about colors and how you can use colors to make your website look good. We'll also learn how you can apply them in VS Code. So this is the RGB color model. Now the main colors are red, green and blue. Now there are up to 16 million color combinations that you can use in your CSS as well as in anything in general. Each color has a hex code assigned to it. Now how do you change the colors in VS Code? Now simply go to the color here and hover over it, and this will show up this panel here, and you can click wherever you want and change the colors however you want it to. So let's say I want it to be somewhere like this. Now if I go back to the HTML file, this thing gets changed as well. If you want, you can manually change the color by typing in the hex code. So let's say hashtag FFFF. So this means the color white. So the letters will be changed. It's not gone, it's just white. Now the color for black is hashtag 000, and now the color's changed to black. I think I missed a 0. Yeah, so it's changed to black. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about classes and IDs.